It was always important for me that New Direction was more than just a church. There are over 3,000 churches in Memphis, Tennessee, more churches than there are barbecue shacks and gas stations combined. And so when it was put upon my heart to start a church, I knew that we had to make a difference in our community. I remember a rap artist back in the 80s who said that there's a church on every corner in the black community and a liquor store on every corner in the black community, and both of them are keeping our people broke. I didn't want that to be true of our church. I wanted us to be an oasis of hope to empower people economically, spiritually, and educationally. And so we came up with a community development corporation to be an extension of our church, to make sure that we could reform education, to make sure that we could help people find jobs, to make sure that people had a way of making a living and to make a living wage. And so those became passions of ours. We came up with a concept called Eden Square. And in Eden Square, we were able to take an old abandoned apartment complex, and with the help of our city, we tore it down, and they gave us the land. And in place of that land, in place of that old abandoned apartment where people were murdered, where gangs were initiated, and where drug transactions took place, we put in that place a charter school, which was the #1 charter school in the whole state, the #1 middle school in the whole state of Tennessee. And also we're putting affordable housing as well as a performing arts center, because we believe that if we can develop the community, change education, reform education, give people a safe place to live, then we could change our community. I believe that prayer changes things, but more importantly, I believe that changed people change things. So if we can empower the people of our community, then the community changes. When you give people jobs, crime comes down. When you educate children, possibilities and opportunities open up. And so we just believe that God has called us to our community to transform lives and to transform our community.